Hello and welcome to the All About Mechanical YouTube channel. So I am starting the CATIA beginner series. We will cover all the basic details from the CATIA, and once all commands are completed, then we will move to the next advanced commands that are used in the industry. So we will cover that also. So let's begin. So what is the full form of CATIA? It is a computer-aided three-dimensional interactive application, and it is developed by Dassault System. It is a France-based company, and it is mainly developed for the aviation purposes. Next is, what is the kernel version of CATIA? The kernel version of CATIA is CNext. And what is meant by kernel version? So when we type the CNext in search window, that time you also can open from here, or you can open it by double clicking on the CATIA icon. So next is, what are the advantages? So there are some advantages of CATIA than other softwares. First is a simple and powerful, means it is a user friendly, there is no any confusion for the user, so it is in simple in nature. Next is parametric design, means whenever we want to change the parameters, we can easily change the parameters in any level. Example means when we change the parameters from the part design, it will highlight in the assembly design also. Next is feature based. CATIA works on different features. It includes different types of features. Example, suppose there is any hole and you want to change from counterboard to countersunk, so it is easily possible, and there is no any confusion for the changing the feature. We can change the feature easily. Next is parent and child relationship, means whatever we create the geometry in CATIA, we can easily see the from which sketch it is developed, or what are the children's form for that particular model, so we can track it easily. Next is about CATIA. So it is a high-end software used in industry in order to make product design from concept to final product. So what is meant by high-end? So as we know, the AutoCAD is used for creating 2D drawings. It is also used for creating 3D parts also, but it is very lengthy and complicated process. But in CATIA we can easily create the complex 3D models, so that is the main advantage over the low-end softwares. Next is, it allows flexibility of using feature-based parametric design. We have seen that. And where it is CATIA software is used, so mostly it is used in companies like interior exterior trims, that is plastic product design, BIW, that is A pillar, B pillar, C pillar, D pillar. Next is BIW welding fixtures, and in seating system and aerospace. So what will be in the course content in this series? So we will start from sketcher workbench, after that part design, generative shape design, assembly design, and drafting workbench. So we will cover all the modules, and now we will move to the screen, how the interface of the CATIA will look like. We will see that. So when we start the CATIA, we get this kind of interface. So whatever the workbenches are present in CATIA, we can start from here. There are different kind of workbenches here in mechanical design, that is part design, assembly design, wireframe and surface design. So whatever we want the workbench, we can select from here. So right now we are selecting part design. So clicking on the part design, we will get this kind of window, and we can enter the part name here, whatever we want. So here are two options, that is enable hybrid design and create a geometric set. So this option we will see later. And next is create a geometric set, means it's asking, means do you want a geometric set in default right now by checking the icon, or you don't want the geometric set. So I'm clicking the check option, that is we want the geometric set. And what is meant by geometric set, then it is a whatever the support elements are used for creating the part, that is point, plane, any surfaces, extract boundaries, that will are included in the geometric set. So we are clicking on the geometric set, then OK. So when we enter into the CATIA, we get this kind of window. From help we can see the which version of CATIA we are using. Right now we are using CATIA V5 and R20. So whenever you want to see the which version of you are using, you can check it from here. So this is the basic interface. This is the top is the menu bar. This is the toolbar, and this is the status bar. Means whenever we are moving the cursor, we get the information of the status of each command, that is select a object or command. So we getting the information from this status bar. So this is the three basic planes are xy, yz and zx. All the geometry is created from this plane. You either incorporate the planes or the axis system. I made the default setting, so whenever I open the CATIA part, we get the directly axis system. So you can use with the both option, that is with by axis system or planar system. So when I hide the axis system and show these planes, so we get these three planes. So we can work on both on planes or on axis system. This is called as a tree specification. So whatever we create the part, the history get generated in the tree specification history. So what are the commands are used in creating the part, so we will get the from here. This is the our compass, so it will indicate how whenever we rotate the our part or anything, so it shows the its position where it's actually moving. So we will cover here today the option. Now we will see the option pan, zoom and rotate. So for zooming, there is a zoom in and zoom out command are provided in here. Also you can use by zoom in or zoom out with the help of mouse button. For that you have to press the scroll button and right click. So when you get this black arrow, from that you can zoom in or zoom out. After that, next is for pan. So you can pan from here also, from this option you can select and move your part according to that. Also you can press the scroll button and move it around. For the rotate option, you can select scroll and right click and you can rotate your object. Also you can rotate from here also. So these are the mouse commands are used for zoom, pan and rotate. So this is just a one introductory video about CATIA V5. We have seen the introduction of the CATIA. So in upcoming lectures we will understand each command in detail and how to use it. So subscribe to my YouTube channel all about mechanical, and if you do have any doubts, do ask me in a comment. Thank you for watching.